Hi guys, my name is Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector and I do love all things 1/6 scale. I'm at the Dollar Tree or one of the Dollar Trees and I'm looking through the toys and I decided to walk around to see if we can find some great things for our dioramas. And my goal today is not to spend anything on one object that's over $1.25. So that's what I'm doing. And I was looking at all the plushies because I do collect stuffed animals. I legit have a stuffed animal room. That's a whole nother story, but I'm looking at all the toys here. And this particular Dollar Tree didn't have that many things, but I did notice they had these squishmallow little squishies, but they were $5, so that is outside of my budget, so I am going to pass on that. And then I did see that they had the LOL surprise little sisters here. Those were also $5, so that's another pass. They don't even come with clothes, I don't think. And then I did see these Disney figures little squishies that I thought was interesting. And again, they were $5, so I am going to pass on that as well. So then I did see these posters here, and they are also $1.25. So they do break their toys up into like little boys and then the little girls. So I'm looking at the little girls section, and then I did see these like Barbie doll size shoes and handbags, and they're $1.25. I think that's a really good find. And then they also had these little figures, and then I found some more fashion packs here, or some more. I found some fashion packs, and they had quite a bit of fashion packs, quite truthfully, new fashion packs. And then, yay, the Monster High figures. That's like legit the reason why I came. And then I saw that they had these little miniature Disney princesses that are really good. And then they do got some DC comic figures, which is really, really cool. So this particular Dollar Tree kind of combined the figures with the boys and girls together. So yeah, I'm just gonna look through and I'm like legit picking up all of the Monster High figures that I possibly can. And look at these cute little Paw Patrol figures. They are adorable. And they did have Miss Incredible here, which is a Pixar character. So cool, but that was the only one that I found. And I found this cute little tea set, but it is a little overscale because, you know, I like to find things for my 1/6 scale dioramas and sometimes Chelsea. So yeah, that was too big, but they had a lot of different figures that I was able to find. And yeah, I was just looking through everything, making sure that I didn't miss anything. So they had this figure right here. I thought maybe that bike would be a good scale for a Chelsea size doll. And of course, I have to look at all the Hot Wheels and the Matchbox figures because I do love me some Hot Wheels. So I was taking a look and they had so many. So, you know, again, I had to pick up a few things. And I did notice they had some really, you know, some miniature size like trucks and things of that nature. And since I do have the mini Barbie Land figures and I am in the process of creating like a mini Barbie Land world, if you will, I thought these figures would really be good for that size diorama. So now I'm looking at all the puffy stickers and I saw these beautiful flowered ones I thought were cute that somehow I could get some use out of them in one of our dioramas here. So yeah. And then here are all the wood pieces, and these are always great for dioramas. So I always go down this section and just grab me a few things because I know I'm going to use it eventually. And then of course we have all the beads. And again, for crafting purposes, I like to grab me a few things from this aisle as well. So I'm at another Dollar Tree. This one is also by my house as well, but they had some Halloween things, just a little bit, not a lot, but tons of Christmas stuff. Like, oh my goodness. I didn't want to go crazy, but I did grab a few things because I do definitely want to decorate a beautiful diorama for Christmas. So yeah, so they just had tons of stuff. Like, you can really do some nice things with all of the decorations that I found here. So I was just super excited. So I'm just walking around looking at all the Christmas stuff in awe of the beauty. So I did find some more Halloween items on this particular aisle, and they also had some fall decorations as well, which would be great for dioramas again. So that is what I was looking at here, and I grabbed a few things. More Christmas decorations, and I'm here for it. So this particular Dollar Tree had tons and tons of crafting supplies. The other one it had a nice selection, but this one just had way more. So yeah, I kind of went a little crazy in this aisle. I am going to show you what I got at the end just so you can see. But yeah, it was a lot of stuff. So they had little mini transformer figures, which I think is really cute, especially for dolls. Again, they had the DC figures, and they had more Incredibles. I didn't show them, but they had more Incredibles. Of course, they had the Matchbox figures, and then I saw these little fingerboards, little miniature skateboards that can be used for a diorama. They got some Monsters Inc. So much stuff. They had way more toys at this particular Dollar Tree. I was a bit overwhelmed, so this footage might be a little shabby, just saying. Because, yeah, it was a lot. They had so much stuff, and I was just like, oh my goodness, in heaven, okay? Like, look at all of these cute little miniature toys. So they got the Peppa Pig figures for the girls. Oh my goodness, adorable. And I'm looking for the Monster High because I found all of them except for Cleo Danelle, and I was hoping to find her here, and I did not. But don't feel bad for me because they had the miniature Barbie doll figures, and I got all of them except for one because the other one was a double. And I said all of them like it's a lot, but it was 3 figures. So yeah. And then I found these cute little fashion packs for Chelsea dolls. So I did get everyone that was different because I wouldn't mind having, it's hard to find clothes for Chelsea size doll figures. And they had more fashion packs here. They were more like career focused. Like that one is an astronaut. And then we have a firefighter right here. And then a chef. And it comes with a little pot. Of course, the lifeguard again. I didn't get that one because I purchased that one at the other one. And then they also have an artist. And then another chef or a pastry chef, I'm thinking. And they got the bathtubs again, the chairs. All of these are 1/6 scales along with the couch. Then I saw these little Disney's characters. We have Mickey Mouse, and then they have Sesame Street, which is cool for the Sesame Street doll lover. Like if your doll is a big fan of Sesame Street, they do have these figures there. And all of these were $1.25. And then I did find Donald and of course Minnie, which is adorable. I'm getting these figures because I am in the process of building a miniature toy store for my Barbie dolls. I am going to be doing a video on that, but this is the purpose or the reasoning why I did purchase all of these figures. So yeah, and then they're all $1.25. And then I found some more Paw Patrol. They had the most adorable toys. Like I literally went crazy in there. And I found this miniature pool table for $1.25. Great find. So I did get quite a bit. I did get a lot of things, and I am going to do a separate video on that. But these are the items that I'm most happy about right here. These Monster High figures, and of course my miniature Barbie figure. And again, all $1.25. So until the next time, guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. Bye.